everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. So in today's video, we'll be doing a little bit of decorating or refreshing in the bedroom. Yes, we're just going to start getting it ready for spring. And this portion of the video is being sponsored by Lily Silk. Lily Silk is known for their quality silk products. They have everything from pajamas, bedding, blouses, hair bunnies, scrunchies, and so much more. And as you can see, I am wearing this beautiful blouse from Lily Silk and I absolutely love it. It feels so good to my skin and it actually feels good to touch. So it has the pearl buttons trimmed in gold. That is so cute. And I love the fact that the buttons down the shirt are hidden. This blouse is the 2-in-1 blouse and it comes with a necktie. I'll show a mod shot beside me, but it comes with a bow tie or a tie, and you can button it all the way up, tied up, or wear it like this. And I actually like it buttoned all the way up with the tie, but this right here gives it a totally different look and I absolutely love it. Lily Silk products are made from mulberry silk. And I also got pillowcases I'll be adding to the bed. We slept on the Lily Silk pillowcases last night. They were so soft. Sleeping on silk helps with anti-aging. It slows down fine lines and wrinkles on your face. It's breathable fabric. I did get pajamas and I did decorate the room with those pajamas on and I had no issues. And don't forget to check the description for links and coupon codes for all of the items I mentioned in today's video. I'm wearing a large in the pajamas as well as the blouse, so if you want a looser fit, you may want to go with an extra large. All of these items make great gifts. The packaging is really nice, so you don't have to worry about rewrapping anything. It would be something that if you ordered it, you can send it directly to the person you're gifting. Thank you, Lily Silk, for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so I'm jumping right in and turning the mattress. I like to turn my mattress either every other month, but definitely when the season change. Yes, we want to get the same type of wear all over the bed, so we're going to just turn it because this isn't the type of mattress that you can flip, so we definitely want to turn it. And I'm just going to start right off with adding this mattress pad, and then we'll add the mattress cover, follow up with our sheets, our fitted sheet, then our top sheet, and of course our linen. I just got my mattress pad and cover out of the dryer, but it still sometimes have a little lint on it. So I'm just going to use this lint roller to remove any excess lint that may be on the mattress pad and cover. Love the smell of cashmere, so let's go ahead and use some of this cashmere linen spray on the linen today. Now I'm just going to use the steamer to remove any wrinkles that were not removed during the drying. This is a very thin duvet cover that I'm going to use, and of course I'll be adding a very light weather duvet insert to it that I received from a recent collab. And this particular duvet cover came from Z Gallery. I purchased it last year during their clearance sale, and now it's a great time for me to use it. And although you see two duvets on the bed, I only used one. I did remove the other one. It was just on the bed for a recent video. These are actually the pillows that my husband and I sleep on. They're the kind you can add extra filling to them to make them a little bit bigger or fluffier. And as you can see, we did. And the little silk pillowcases had no problem covering them. And as you can see here, they do have that little tuck in the inside of them to secure the pillows as well as hide the inside of the pillows. And now I'm just going to add these gold, cream, and white pillows from Home Goods, as well as these beautiful pillows I purchased several years ago from Z Gallery. I just wanted to add some gold luxe for the spring to the bed. And now we're going to fold this duvet and add it to the edge of the bed, showing the cream and gold part of this duvet, just to add some more layers to the bed to achieve that luxe look we're going for. I'm going to do a few more things off camera and finish the look. All right, so here is the finished look. That was quick, wasn't it? So I just spray painted that mirror above the bed gold. I felt like it would go better with the space. I do have two of them, so I left the other one silver. I'll use that another time. I just spray painted the one that was already up. I pulled majority of these items from other places in my home. I didn't purchase anything new for this space. And I still have not found the larger nightstands as well as the dresser. So we moved our chest back into the bedroom and moved chairs in front of the bed. This is the layout my husband prefers, and I like it too. And I just kept it kind of cute but simple on our nightstands. As you can see, I pulled those lamps from the attic. They used to be in our guest bedroom, and I moved them in here. And the scent of the day is YSL Black for men and YSL Libre for ladies. So that's what you see on our nightstand. And I love the way this room turned out. We are going to call it Glam and Sexy Vibe. All right, and we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you like these types of videos and you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching, and thanks to Lily Silk for sponsoring today's video. I will leave links as well as coupon codes in the description for anyone who's interested in the items I mentioned in this video. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Please stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be showing a nighttime view of the space as well as a nighttime view with the sheets and bedding pulled back. All right, so here is the nighttime view of us getting ready to go to bed. Of course, the sheets are pulled back. Everything else is pretty much the same. We removed the 4 pillows and the ball pillow off the bed and just pulled the sheets back. We keep those 2 on the bed. So there's not really a lot of pillows on the bed. I would consider this to be male friendly, although my husband does not have a problem with making a bed because he grew up like that. His mom likes a lot of pillows on her bed. So 2 of the pillows I have on the chairs. The other 2 I have on our benches, and the 1 ball I have over here in a decorative basket. And we'll turn our air purifier on tonight. I like to sleep with it on. And this is our nighttime let's go to bed view. So it's not a lot of pillows. It doesn't require a lot of work. So for those who want pillows, extra pillows on their bed, I think you can get by with just putting 4 decorative pillows if you have seating. And sometimes we'll stack them up at the end of the bench or on the bench here, and that way we'll have 2 chairs available. But when we do it like this guarantees that we will get up and make our bed on a daily basis. So here is the nighttime view with the sheets pulled back. Thought I'd just share that with you all. All right. Of course, we still have the fireplace going. And I do have the tray over here on the dresser, and that's simple. You just pull it off the bed and move it to the dresser. That's it. Keeping it simple.